Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Max on Roku device, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Max on your Roku device, first, turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, scroll down to the streaming channels option. Select search channels to access the search function. In the search bar, type Max and press the OK button on your remote. Once you see the Max channel in the search results, select it. Next, choose Add Channel to install Max on your device. Wait for the installation to complete, and then select OK to return to the home screen. Locate the Max channel icon on your home screen and open it. You will see an activation screen prompting you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select Sign In. Enter your email and password. If you don't have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, an activation code will appear on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website provided on your Roku screen. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku device. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. After this, return to your Roku device. You should now have access to Max and can start streaming your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.